Hi, this is Raj from Sportscars. Here I've got an absolutely amazing Porsche Macan S 95B Generation 3. So this is the last era of the beautiful Macan series, the exceptional sport utility vehicle made by Porsche, all-wheel drive. This is a 2.9 litre V6 turbo, 380 horsepower, 384 foot-pounds of torque, and it will do 60 in around 4.6 seconds, which is incredibly fast for a vehicle of this size and stature. 161 mile an hour top speed. It's finished in the absolutely glorious optional Gentian Blue Metallic, which is such a stunning timeless colour. As you can see, it looks sensational. We've fully machine polished and waxed this car, so the paintwork is absolutely flawless. There's no stone chips on it and everything, because it is a it's a zero previous owner, so it's only been owned by a lovely couple that we bought it from, who spec'd it from new. They chose everything on this car exactly the way they liked it, and as a result it's in fantastic condition and looks sensational. So it's got the 20-inch Macan S wheels, which are diamond cut with meteor grey interiors, guards red brake calipers with Porsche inscription, and the tyres are matching Pirelli P0s, all N0s. We've just had the brand new fronts put on because they were the originals and they were starting to get to the end of their life. The rears are absolutely fine and they're all matching. It's got the lovely rear light bar there with the clear tail lights there. It's got the sports tailpipes in chrome, piano black rear spoiler, piano black window trims as well, and then also it's got the lovely panoramic sunroof, which can be opened on a tilt or fully open, as well as having an electric blind on it. The mirrors are the optional sport design mirrors, and they've got painted bases as well, all to match the body colour, as are the door handles as well. They've got the optional surround view, so there's 4 cameras on this car to help you when you're manoeuvring. So it's got 2 in the sides, 1 in the front there, and also 1 in the back. It's got the PDLS Plus, so they're dynamic cornering and high beam assist LED headlights, which offer exceptional brightness. Incredibly safe to drive at night with this car as a result. Obviously it's got parking sensors front and rear as well. It's got the heated screen as well, and that's got a lovely sort of green tint to it as well from the factory. Privacy glass at the rear as well, and just look at this interior, absolutely stunning. So this is the extended black leather with white stitching and pebble grey as well, black carpets as well, so all of the touch points are protected with black rather than worrying about staining white carpets. That was very well appointed with those. It's got the BOSE system as well, which is over 500 watts. It's got the piano black trims. It's obviously got the 7-speed PDK, which is a sensational box because you can run it in full manual, full auto, or you can change the gear at any point with the paddles on the optional GT Sport steering wheel, which has got heating as well. It's got cruise control, auto lights, auto wipers. The seats are also the high spec seats you could get. They're the adaptive sport seats, so they have 18-way adjustments, so the bolsters are adjustable. The knee support also comes in and out. It's got lumbar support, and every other part of the height adjustment and everything else is fully electric, with memory for both the driver and the passenger, front passenger there. It is fitted with CarPlay and also with the charging port or dock for your phone there, so you just slot it in there and it will charge your phone while also doing wireless CarPlay as well. And then it's incredibly practical as well. It's got the electric opening and closing rear boot with extra storage under there. BOSE amplifiers on this side, but it's also got the tyre compressor and the original tool set in there. The seats are folding 40, 20, 40, so you can, at the touch of a button, either here or in the back of the car, quickly get into that area. I'm going to start it up. It's a keyless go, so that means the key just needs to be in the car, and it's got the lovely painted shell there to match the paintwork. But let me just start it up. So it's only covered 17,572 miles. It's got a full Porsche main dealer service history. Let me show you when it's next due a service. December 2026 is the service, and oil service is November 2026. You'd probably do those at the same time, so lots of life left before you need to do those. I'll show you that steering wheel heating, so that comes up on there. Also, it's got PASM, so it's got the switchable suspension, so it's got a comfort setting, Sports, which I quite like, or Sport Plus for even more road holding capability there. It's got off-road mode, hill descent. It's got lane change assist as an option as well, and also it's actually got these areas which let you know blind spots, so it sort of lights up on those edges. That was an optional extra on this car as well. I'll show you the rear screen coming across there, so you can see that at a touch of a button that will close off. If you did want to keep it cooler, if it was really hot and you parked it outside, you can put that screen across to keep it a bit cooler. And I'll show you the sunroof working as well once that's done. So that's that. Let me do first of all, there's the tilt, so you can have that open just to let a little bit of air, and then you can do the full opening there, which is a really nice feature because you can really let a lot of light into here with that open while still feeling very secure in here. It's got the cruise control, voice control as well, and then it's got the lovely sort of piano black trim here. Even the screen here, that larger 10.9 inch screen, has got the lovely it's got a screen protector from new, never been pulled off, and it's got the analog clock there on the dashboard as well. Full climate control, 3 zones, so you've got zones for each side here and also one in the back. Seat heating as well, 3-stage heating, which is really nice as well. And then also the reversing camera, so let me put that. So it's got, obviously with the surround view, you can actually choose what view you want to see, which is quite cool, or you can let it do its own thing. And then it's got the full CarPlay system, so this is wireless. I haven't plugged in my phone yet. It's also got the tracker. So a huge amount of spec in this car. Let me show you the engine bay. There we have it, just purring away. 2.9 litre V6S, as I said, with 380 horsepower, 4-wheel drive. It will automatically determine where to put the 4-wheel drive system based on the road conditions, so you don't have to worry about putting it into 4-wheel drive or anything like that. I'll go through all of the spec as well while we're here. As I said, it's got the 20-inch wheels, lots of power, 380 horsepower, 384 as I said. Just weighs 1.930 tons. But yeah, everything there, you can view this on our website at your leisure, but I've done the full options list, which is taken off the car itself using the Porsche diagnostic system. The car is programmed up with everything it has. So things I haven't mentioned so far, it's got the long range fuel tanks, that's 75 litres. It's got PASM, it's got preparation for a detachable tow bar. It's got power steering plus, so that makes the steering lighter when you're just manoeuvring and then weights it up when you're driving normally. So it's a really nice way of getting about town using this car. Heated GT Sport steering wheel, ISOFIX in the rear seats, Pano glass sunroof. It wasn't fitted with roof rails. Heated windscreen, I already mentioned. It's got the optional auto dimming mirrors there, so that's both for the side mirrors and also that rear view mirror there. So I'm just looking if there is anything else that I've missed. There's lots of 12-volt sockets, there's lots of USB charging ports, there's 4 I think in the car. It has tyre pressure monitoring as well, so this screen here you can also see lots of different items. So you can have the map there, you can also have the tyre pressure monitoring, how much power, how much torque is sending to the front and rear wheels respectively, and then obviously this one you can have some vital statistics there as well. The BOSE system is actually a lot more powerful than I thought. 665 watts, 14 speakers. It's got online services. It's also got preparation for dash cam as well. So yeah, a huge amount of options on this car. And then on the next page on this PDF, we lay out all of the standard options and sort of the ticked options that the person had to pay more for. And then we've done a full engine hours check just to make sure that everything is within tolerance, and it absolutely is. We've done an engine hours check, and then we've done VIN check, engine number check, and also obviously all the spec matches with what is actually physically on this car as well. And then we lay out the service history. So it's supplied by Porsche Hatfield, July 2022, service January 2024, December 2024, and then July 2025. So everything is as it should be there. Hatfield, Cambridge, Cambridge, and then back to Hatfield. So it also has the 2 keys, the full manual pack, has invoices as well, and the full tool set. So it's an absolutely beautiful Macan S, as you can see, in one of my I have a lot of favourite Porsche colours, but this is particularly striking, and I think flattering and appealing to most people because it is got a lovely shine to it. It's actually quite forgiving as well for marks and things, but it's as you can see, the paintwork is absolutely flawless. Very, very well covered. It's parked on the driveway, and there's no parking dents or anything down the sides. There's no scrapes or anything like that, chips anywhere. It's a very coveted, almost as new Macan with that beautiful V6 turbo, 380 horsepower power plant. And the driving characteristics of these are absolutely phenomenal. You actually feel like you're sitting in a hot hatch rather than like a high up SUV. You get the added benefits of that visibility, the safety, but it does feel like the driving position, so the steering wheel relative to the pedals and the seats, are very much like you're sitting in a sports car rather than sitting on top of a car with a steering wheel, sort of like a bus. It feels very dynamic, very little body roll, especially when you apply that the sport chassis setting on the PASM, or Sport Plus is even more dynamic. But it's a fantastic place to be, and if you are interested in this beautiful 2022 Macan S, please don't hesitate to get in touch. Thanks for watching.